Hello folks, Jason Chrisman, Grazing Acres Farm. Today I'm going to show you a secret you'll probably never forget. You see the old T-post here in the background? Today I'm going to show you how to get that out of the ground with something you've probably already got. A post slammer. That's right. Not only does this put the T-post in the ground, it can also be used to remove them. I'm going to show you how. First thing you're going to do is you're going to flip the post slammer upside down, putting the bottom up. Then we're going to take our post slammer and we're going to bring it over to our T-post, and we're going to put it at a slight angle, and then we're going to find the closest little nubbin sticking out from the T-post and slide our post slammer right up against the bottom of that. Now, placing one foot at the bottom of the post slammer so it's not able to kick out, to bring the T-post towards you, like so. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push back on the T-post and go down to the next nubbin. I don't know if you noticed that, but we just raised a couple inches. Push back, resetting the post slammer under the next nubbin, and your T-post is out. It really is just that easy. Who'd have thought? All I needed was this damn thing to keep my back from hurting. So what you want to do real quick is share this with all your farming friends so they can avoid the troubles of pulling T-post and make it a lot easier for them. Thanks for watching Grazing Acres Farm. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and throw me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Grazing Acres Farm. Now to put it back in, I didn't really need it out.